Let's go, guys. It's Raul TV, Team Art for UL, your favorite YouTube mechanic, back again. And what I'm doing this time around is well, I wouldn't say easy job, but nice little job. I've got a Ford Galaxy 2017 plate. I'm going to go ahead and replace the front headlight, right? The front headlight bulbs, that is. Not the easiest in the world, right? But not the hardest. I would say it's a mid-range job, right? You can do it outside your house. All you need is a Torx 30, Phillips screwdriver. You're good to go. Let's go. Okay guys, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and take that off there. The Torx 30, that one off here, and that one off here. Take them three off, and hopefully it'll give us a bit more room, a bit more access to get our hands in there. If you've got small hands, okay, and you can get your hands in there, happy days, go for it. But I don't think I'll get my hands in there. I just barely can get my hands in there, so I don't think, yeah. The best thing to do is we'll take that off, take that one off, take that off. If you have to take few more off, if you want to, give you a bit more room, and that way we can gain access to the bulb, replace the bulb. Let's do it. All right, now that we've got all four Torx off, this one, and this one, okay, that little screw there, took that off as well. All we do, just to give us enough room, we just lift it up, okay, and that's lifted up just past there, as you can see there, right? If you can lift it past there a bit more, then happy days. If not, you don't need to, because that should give me enough room to get my hands in there. Okay, so I'm going to take that off, and I can see the bulb there, right there, 2-pin headlight bulb, right, the H7. Let's go. Right, as you can see there is the bulb. What we're going to do now is I'm going to get my hand in there and take that plug off. No, not rocket science, just pull the plug off. There you go, there's the plug off. Right, and to take the bulb out, dead easy. Can you see the clip? If I get my hands in there, I can't really show you guys. But see this clip here? See if I can show you guys and take it off at the same time. See the clip here? We push the clip down. Yep, and see where the hook is? We go towards that side, lift up, boom, there we go. I'll try to demonstrate again. So that's the clip on, yeah. We're going to go to this side here. Yeah, obviously if I was doing it myself, I would just put my hand in the way. But I'm trying to show you guys, see if I can focus as well. So I'll put my fingers in there, onto the clip. As you can see, my finger is on the clip. Push it down towards this side, lift up. There we go, happy days. And all we do now is just get the bulb out. Can't really get it wrong. The pointer goes underneath this one. Okay, some cars it goes on the top, this one it goes underneath. There we go. We take that out. Happy days. Let's get the new one on. Right, okay, there we go. There's the new bulb. It's a H7 2-pin headlight bulb. Dead easy. The way we took it off, that's exactly the same we're going to fit it. What you do is make sure you don't touch the glass, okay? Get your fingers on the pins and put it in via the pins. Do not touch the glass. If you touch the glass, it will work, but it will, you know, shorten the life of the bulb. So what we do now is we're going to go round this side. And all we're going to do now is, I can't show you guys and film at the same time. So I'm going to get the bulb in there first, and then we'll go from there. Right, there we go. I had to get the bulb in with my right hand, so there we go. Got the bulb in there. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is get the clip over. Actually, I should have shown you that in the first place. Right, so get the clip over this way, and try and move my fingers out of the way so you can see. And all we do is, if I can get my fingers out of the way, show you guys. Boom, there we go. Clip is on. What I'm going to do now is get that back on. Right, get the cover back on. Right, okay, cover's back on. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to put this headlight back in there. Okay, make sure these go over the headlight. Okay, that's in there. Get all the screws back in, tighten them up, and that's it, job done. But before you do that, let's try it, see if it works. There we go. Happy days, it's all working. Let's get all the screws and bolts, and let's get all the screws, everything back on, and that's it. So that's it, guys. That's how we replaced the headlight bulb on a 2017 Ford Galaxy. I mean, it's not the easiest bulb in the world. If you've got nice petite hands, okay, then you can get to it nice and easy, or else it is a little tight squeeze. But take them few screws off, few bolts off, you're good to go. Dead easy. I mean, taking the bulb out and everything is dead easy. I've showed you guys. Clip, push the clip to the side, boom, you're off. Anyway, guys, I hope this helps you guys out. If it didn't help you guys out, I'm sorry. Try my best. Please don't slag me off. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell button for me. Leave a comment in the comment section. Raul TV, Team R4UL. We'll see you guys soon.